Hi, we're Website Casa, and we build affordable websites in about 10 business days. We also do short videos to answer questions and show you how to do things that you may be having trouble with. And other than this short intro, we get right to the point. So let's get started. Hello, today I'm going to show you how to get really inexpensive hosting directly from Godaddy using my discount link. The discount link can be found at websiteorhosting.com. Let's get started. The first thing you'll do is go to websiteorhosting.com. You'll see a page similar to this. Depending on what promotion is going on at the time, the price may change, but at the time of this recording, you're getting 1 year's worth of hosting and a free domain name for just $14 or £14, depending on which country you're in. So when you get to website or hosting, you'll simply scroll down to where it says sign up now. But before we get into that, I do want to let you know you can also get cheap domain names by coming down a little bit further to where it says domain names and clicking on the banner. But let's get back to the hosting. So you'll scroll down, there'll be three options. If you want the discount where it's going to be about $14 a month or £14 a month, you'll click the economy. Now the economy is going to give you hosting, a free domain name from GoDaddy. You can host one website. It's got unmetered bandwidth, 100 gigabytes of storage, and you get free Office 365 for 1 year. Now I do want to point out that if you accept the free Office 365 for 1 year, you'll only be able to have one email address. If you decline it, then you can have unlimited email addresses. But anyway, you'll click on sign up now. When you click on sign up now, it will take you to the GoDaddy landing page, and it will have the specific prices that are on offer at the moment. As I said, right now it's $1 per month. You'll click on add to cart under economy. When you click on add to cart, a screen that is going to come up and it's going to offer you your free domain name. Now I would recommend, whether you want to use this domain name or not, this is an opportunity to get a free domain name, so you might as well accept it. And if we're building a website for you, we will need a domain name attached to the hosting package. The other thing I do need to point out to you, it has to be a .com. The only extension that the offer of the free domain name will apply to is a .com. When you click search, hopefully you'll get a message saying that that domain name is available, and guess what? It's free. Then you'll just click select and continue. When you click select and continue, it's going to take you to another screen. When you land on this screen, you want to make sure that the pricing is correct. So it should come up to about $14 if you're in the US, about £14 if you're in the UK. You want to make sure that it's giving you the economy Linux hosting. That's $12. You're getting an 88% discount. It's for 12 months. As I said, if you accept the free Office 365, you'll only be able to get one email address and then your domain name. Now, one thing that I want to say is that if you are in the US, I do recommend that you get the privacy. If you're in the UK, because of GDPR, this is not necessary. So you can remove that if you're in the UK. If you keep it in the basket, it will be removed anyway. What you're going to do is, because you're probably setting up a new account, you're going to put your email address, username, and password. If you're an existing GoDaddy customer, then you'll just click sign in. When you enter your email address and click down, it will automatically become your username as well. You're going to need to come up with a password, and make sure that you write down the password somewhere that you can remember it. Put create account. If you have an existing account, you'll simply enter your account number and password and press sign in. The next screen will ask for user details. Once again, just check and make sure that the total is correct, the domain name is correct, and if you do want the privacy, it's selected. If you don't, that you've deleted it. Once you've added those details, you're going to click on the Save button. Right, this is where you're going to add your payment details. You can pay by card, you can pay by PayPal. I've never seen anyone pay by check. Once you've entered your payment details, you'll click on Save. Make sure that the total is correct and then click on Complete Purchase. The next screen you see will have thank you for your order, and it will have your total. It's going to ask you if you want to use your domain, so we'll put blankcasa.com. Update. Now, depending on where you are, it will ask you which server country you want to be in. You should put the server closest to wherever your users are going to be, regardless of where you are. It's going to ask you if you want to create a WordPress website. For now, we're going to put not now, thanks. But if you're ready to start building, you can go ahead and click yes, let's do it. If we're building a website for you, then just click not now, thanks. It will say provisioning your account. It might take a minute or two, but the next message you'll get will be onboarding completely successful. Now you're ready to build your website in minutes. Click on where it says go to dashboard. I'm going to just skip this because I've done it so many times in the past. It's going to have all of your details. Now, if we're building the website for you, what you're going to need to do is give us access to build your website. Go to account settings, and there'll be an option that says delegate access. Click on delegate access. Once you get to delegate access, you'll click on invite to access. You'll type Quizzard and our email address. Now, in order to build your website for you, we only need access to products and domains. So you'll click on that and then click invite. When you click invite, it will send us an invitation. And now you're all set. You've now purchased a hosting package and you've received a free domain name. There's nothing to pay monthly. You've paid for the entire year. So make sure that you do pay attention to the emails that you get from Godaddy. If we're building your website for you and you get an email and you're unsure what to do with it, just forward it to us or give us a call. Thank you.